But in the Bible, we don't live by promising each other. We live by both of us looking up. That's why in the Bible, even adultery is not a reason for divorce. Inasema until death do we do what? Yeah. The only verse that says whoever divorces his wife except for adultery, nakumbuka hiyo, is only found in Matthew. But ukienda kwa Luke, hiyo phrase except for adultery is not there. Ukienda kwa Mark, it's not there. But the way you are looking at me, ni kama mwonacho niwapatie. Matthew, yeah, I can see your eyes. Angalia, Matthew 19 verse 9. Mwaigwa, netosome. Matthew 19 verse 9. Mmepata?
Yes, Bible reads.
Na mwingine, huyu akimaliza na mwingine asome Mark 10:11.
And I say unto you.
Ngojea kwanza, mwingine afungue Mark 10:11 na mwingine wa mwisho afungue Luke 16:18. Uwe tu tayari nikisema Mark na unasoma Mark 10:11, Luke 16:18. Now soma Matthew.